here in beautiful Santa Barbara with the one and only legend, Dennis Miller. All right, buddy, where are you taking me?
Well, hot place in Montecito. Better get in this afternoon. Not gonna get in tonight, guy.
Watch out. This is Bettina.
Carbonara pizza up.
The food here is always very creatively done.
Prosciutto pizza here.
It's light, indulgent, and decadent. There's nothing like it.
How's the sausage pizza?
And for husband-wife owners Brendan Smith and Rachel Greenspan, their wood-fired Neapolitan pizza joint all starts with the dough.
Before I got into pizza, I was really a bread baker. Neither of us is Italian.
Jewish and Irish.
Got your Cacio e Pepe Arancini.
The arancini feels like 3 dishes in one. You have a cacio pepe sauce, then you have this amazing risotto.
It's a big crispy ball of rice and cheese and butter.
Let's see it.
First step up is making our chicken stock.
Okay.
We've got cold water, chicken backs, chicken feet,
Eat us all the college.
onion, carrot tops, and celery stalks and leaves. Simmer overnight. Double strain it, cool it in the walk-in, and it turns to basically a gelatin. Now we're going to cook our risotto. Olive oil, diced onion, garlic, rice, and toast it for about 2 minutes.
Just so it gets a little nuttiness to it.
White wine,
Chicken stock, stir, stir, till it's just about done. Drop the butter.
salt, black pepper, and Parmesan cheese. Put the risotto on a sheet tray to cool.
Next, we're into
Calabrian chili aioli, egg yolks, Dijon mustard, and then the mix of canola oil and Calabrian chili oil.
So we have a spicy aioli.
Lemon juice, salt, and the microplaned garlic. Smoked paprika.
This thing is a flavor bomb right here, dude. That's gorgeous. Silky, creamy, velvet.
We're just gonna scoop some risotto balls, make a little
Make a
well.
little punt, fresh mozzarella, into the flour, into the egg wash. And what do you got the breadcrumb seasoned with?
Oregano and black pepper. Once the balls are ready, we freeze them, and it helps just get a more even cook.
You get an
over.
even cook.
Now we're gonna fry the arancini for about 5 to 8 minutes at 350 degrees. Salt. Calabrian chili aioli.
Gorgeous.
Now we're just gonna garnish with even more Parmesan to make it rain.
Brother,
Thank you.
do the layered thing, man. I love this. A little sweet, a little sour, a little... Go.
Okay, there's a lot of things going on here. When you can fry it to where it tastes baked, not oily, you have a nice, light, tender, flaky, fall apart. You look at it the wrong way, it'll just crumble. You've got good sweet, and you've got great texture, and you got good salt. But it's the spice in the Calabrian chili oil that sings all the way through, mirrored with the smokiness of that paprika.
Poet with a palate. Right here, brother.
That's it. We are done.
Arancini coming out.
The outside is just crispy. It melts in your mouth.
It has the peppery, cheesy flavor, and the sauce is phenomenal.